Welcome to the fascinating world of repurposing and revitalizing forgotten materials. In a time where sustainability and creativity intertwine, there is a growing movement focused on taking items once deemed useless and transforming them into something beautiful and functional. Whether it's old wood, metal, cars, or industrial tools, these remnants of the past carry stories waiting to be told. Imagine walking through a workshop where rustic wooden beams from an abandoned barn are meticulously crafted into stunning furniture pieces. Each scratch and knot tells a story, merging the history of the wood with the creativity of the artisan. This act of revival doesn't just breathe new life into the materials, it also reaffirms the importance of preserving our heritage and honoring the craftsmanship of yesteryears. Metal, often considered a cold and unyielding material, can be transformed into intricate sculptures or functional art. Old machinery parts, rusted pipes, and discarded metal scraps can be reimagined into stunning garden ornaments or eye-catching centerpieces. This process not only showcases the artist's creativity, but also serves as a striking reminder of our industrial past and the potential for renewal. Cars, too, play an integral role in this transformation. Vintage vehicles, once lovingly driven, can be restored or remodeled into unique art pieces or restored to their former glory. The process of reviving these machines fosters a deep appreciation for automotive history and craftsmanship. Each restoration project brings together enthusiasts who value not just the end product, but the journey of restoration itself. Tools, often forgotten in garages and sheds, can also find new life. Old hand tools, rusted from disuse, can be beautifully integrated into home decor or transformed into functional art. This revival illustrates a respect for the ingenuity and practicality that these tools once represented, reminding us of the human hands that used them to create, build, and innovate. Industrial wastage, once considered mere byproducts of manufacturing, can become a rich source of inspiration. By repurposing what was once discarded, artists and builders are not just reducing waste, they are also crafting stories that connect us to the past. Repurposed industrial materials can be used in architecture, furniture design, and decorative arts, fostering a unique dialogue between old and new. The beauty of this movement lies in its accessibility. Anyone can participate in the journey from trash to treasure, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a curious beginner. Workshops and community spaces are popping up, offering the tools and knowledge to help individuals tap into their creativity. These spaces foster collaboration, allowing people to share ideas and techniques, creating a sense of community around the act of revival. Sustainability is at the heart of this movement. In a world grappling with excess waste and environmental concerns, repurposing old materials is a timely reminder of the potential for positive change. Each revival project not only saves resources, but also sparks conversations about consumption, creativity, and the value of craftsmanship in our lives. As you embark on your own journey of reviving forgotten items, remember that the process is as meaningful as the outcome. Each piece you restore or transform carries a narrative of its own, enriched by the care and artistry you put into it. Celebrate the imperfections and the history inherent in each material. It's what makes your creation unique. The journey from trash to treasure is not just about the finished product. It's also about the connections we build with the past, the skills we develop, and the creativity we unleash. So gather your tools, seek out those forgotten pieces, and let your imagination guide you. Together, we can turn remnants of the past into treasures for the future. As you delve deeper into the world of revival, consider the impact of your creations beyond your immediate environment. Each item you repurpose acts as a conversation starter, inspiring others to rethink their relationship with waste and creativity. By sharing your projects, you may encourage friends and family to explore their own potential for revival, creating a ripple effect that promotes sustainable practices in your community. Additionally, documenting your journey can be an excellent way to inspire others. Whether through social media, blogs, or videos, sharing your process not only showcases your skills, but also highlights the stories behind the materials. This engagement helps to build a community around shared interests and fosters a culture of creativity and environmental consciousness. Support from local artisans, craftsmen, and businesses can also amplify your efforts in reviving old materials. Collaborating with others who share a passion for sustainability can lead to innovative projects and unique ideas that may not have emerged in isolation. This spirit of collaboration enriches the creative process and reinforces the sense of community essential to this movement. Moreover, consider the educational aspects of your revival projects. Using workshops to teach others about the significance of repurposing materials can empower individuals to think critically about waste management in their lives. By cultivating an understanding of the value in forgotten items, you foster a generation that appreciates craftsmanship and innovation. In conclusion, the journey from trash to treasure is not only a personal endeavor, but also a collective movement that has the potential to change our world for the better. By embracing this philosophy, we reaffirm our commitment to sustainability, creativity, and honoring the legacy of our past. Thank you for joining us in this exploration. We encourage you to embark on your own journey of reviving the forgotten. Thank you for watching our exploration of transforming forgotten items into treasures. We appreciate your support in this journey of creativity and sustainability. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking our videos, and sharing them with others who may be inspired by the art of revival. Together, we can foster a community dedicated to breathing new life into the old and forgotten. Stay tuned for more exciting projects and ideas.